Let's do an affirmations reading today. If you enjoy this type of reading, then you can book a reading like this with me on my website because I offer this reading type there. But if not, that's okay too. Just stay and watch and enjoy. Sit back and relax. So whatever you're dealing with right now, however hard or confusing, or however desperate you feel, you have found a little piece of peace. You can now communicate to your subconscious that you are here to relax. And you can give yourself permission to let go of some of the stress that you've been carrying. There's absolutely nothing wrong with dropping some of the burdens that you've been carrying. Just because you carry them doesn't mean that they are important. So you're here and you're breathing in and out, and you're softening your gaze and maybe even closing your eyes, and you're breathing deeper and deeper, and you are becoming so relaxed almost instantaneously without any effort. It's just happening very naturally and organically because you're allowing yourself to do it now. If you want, you can sigh, a big sigh of relief. Just let it go. Allow yourself to enjoy this present moment in its simplicity. And let's now focus your attention on the brush. If you can keep your eyes open, I recommend that you follow along with the brush, the movement of the brush as it's sliding across the cards, looking for that one meaningful card of guidance that I think I may have already found. And here, let's check it out. Let's see what the guidance is. So, Five of Swords. If you know the tarot, you will know that the Five of Swords is drama. Have you been involved in some drama lately? Perhaps involuntarily, perhaps by losing your awareness, your conscious control. Have you sunk into some situations where you weren't able to be the best version of yourself? And perhaps you've been carrying some guilt around that. It's okay. We are here to work through this. The Five of Swords is not the end of the world. It's just one of those stages in life that we all go through from time to time. And here, with this card, it's very, very certain that you are in the right place, because you need some peace of mind, and you need to make some adjustments as well. And the best way to do it is to allow your mind to relax. So I'm going to give you some affirmations to work with in your situation. You can repeat them in your mind or even loudly if you wish, but you don't have to. It's enough if you're hearing them. They're going to affect you in a very positive way because they are going to be communicating to your subconscious that you are working towards a solution. And your subconscious is going to help you with that. So here goes. I am much more than my behavior or my faults or my negative thinking. I have a vast universe of ideas and possibilities in my mind. The limited view I have of myself is only a segment of my ego. The true vastness of my being might not even register with me at this moment, but it's there nevertheless. And my life, my existence, the limited experience of personhood that brings with it some pain and some disappointments. It's only a speck in time and space. Because I'm very close to it, it might seem huge. But as I'm rising above, I can see how it's shrinking in size. And I'm floating in space. And I'm in the neighborhood of stars. And I'm being pulled by the gravitational force of planets around me. And I'm being called upon by the angels of my consciousness to let go of the dirt that might have accumulated within myself, within my thinking. It's a natural desire of mine to want to clean things up. And with each breath that I'm taking in, with each inhale, I'm bringing in that cosmic energy, that cosmic perspective, the endlessness of time, the limitlessness of space, the eternity beyond life and death. I'm bringing it into my consciousness with each breath, and I'm breathing out, I'm exhaling, and I'm letting go of all the toxicity, all the pettiness, all the anxieties and worries that used to seem so significant. They might have seemed significant a couple minutes ago, but now I'm letting them go. I don't need them anymore. I'm not responsible for anybody else's behavior. And in some sense, I'm not even responsible for my own behavior. My past behaviors do not define me. I am a process, which means I am happening minute by minute, second by second, heartbeat by heartbeat. And every new breath in and every new heartbeat is a new opportunity to go the other way. I am not committed to my ego. It is but a mirage, an assemblage of childhood programming, societal conditioning, and fantasy. The ego is a construct that I am not obligated to reproduce if I don't want to. I can exist within the self with peace and ease and without expectations for myself or for my fellow humans. I know true peace. I am true peace. And I forever will be. Thank you all for participating. Thank you for your support. See you next time.